صباح الخير. كيف حالك؟ هل أنتم مسرورون؟ Okay, last class we studied about dress, mahallul akmisha, textile shop, and we studied how to write bill in Arabic. That we already studied in last classes. Then today page number 65. One story is there. Take everyone textbook. First I will read children. Everyone look textbook. Tilkal laylatu jalasa nasim ma'a jaddatihi fi bahatil bayti. Fahakatil jaddatu qissatan. Kana Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu anhu amiran adilan. وكان يطوف ليلا في شوارع المدينة. مرة خرج عمر رضي الله عنه مع خدمه ليلا في ليلة مظلمة بعد منتصف الليل لم يوجد أحد في الشارع ولا نور في البيوت. بينما هو يمشي إذ رأى نورا في كوخ صغير اقترب منه. سمع عمر كلام امرأة لابنتها فهي تقول قومي يا بنت اخلطي اللبن بالماء. فقالت يا أمي لا أخلط اللبن بالماء. الأم لما؟ البنت أما سمعت أن الخليفة رضي الله عنه قد نهى عن خلط اللبن بالماء. الأم يا ابنتي الإرانا عمر في هذه الليلة المظلمة. قومي اخلطي اللبن بالماء نبيعه بمال كثير. البنت أمي إذا كان عمر لم يرانا الله يرانا فإن الله يرانا. فرح عمر رضي الله عنه بكلام البنت فزوج ابنه عاصم بهذه البنت تقديرا لأمانتها وصدقها. وصارت ابنة بياعة اللبن زوجة لابن أمير المؤمنين. Children, anyone understood? No. Okay. Then we will discuss the meaning, children. Tilkal laylati. Laylat. What is the meaning laylat? Night. What is the opposite of laylat? Nahar. Laylat opposite nahar. Laylat opposite nahar. Everyone take notebook and have to write it. First heading what to write. What is the heading? Yarana wahidun. What is the heading? How to check that lesson? 65. Yarana wahidun. Then first you have to write laylat. Laylat opposite nahar. Laylat night. Nahar day. Tilkal laylat. This night. Jalasa nasim ma'a jaddatihi fi bahatil bayt. What is the meaning jalasa? It is the past tense. Jalasa sat. Nasim, who sat? Nasim. Jalasa Nasim. Nasim sat ma'a jaddatihi. Who is jaddat? That we studied. Yes. Okay, very good. Jaddat means grandmother. What is the jaddat opposite? Jadd. Jaddat opposite? Jadd. Jadd. Okay. Jadd grandfather. Jaddat grandmother. Jaddat grandmother. Only different style. Okay. Jadd and jaddat. The Nasim sat ma'a jaddatihi with his grandmother. Fi bahatil bayt. What is the meaning of bahatil bayt? Is house yard. You have to write bahatil bayt. What is the meaning bahatil bayt? Bahatul bayt. Bahatul bayt. House yard. House yard. Okay. Then they were sitting in house yard. Who sitting? Nasim and grandmother. Then Nasim sat. Jalasa sat. Nasim sat with his grandmother. Ma'a jaddatihi fi bahatil bayt. Fi bahatil bayt in house yard. Then I will ask one question. Man jalasa ala jaddatihi. Man. Who said man jalasa? Naseem. Okay. Jalasa Naseem ma jaddatihi fi bahatil bayt. Also we can make one question. Aina jalasa? Aina jalasa Naseem? Aina where? Aina jalasa Naseem? Where is Naseem sat? Okay, he sat in the fi bahatil bayt. Jalasa Naseem fi bahatil bayt. Fahakatul jaddatu qissatan. Hakkat means story, told story. കഥ പറയുന്നതിനാണ് ഹക്കത്ത്. ഓക്കെ, then ഹക്കത്ത് അൽ ജദ്ദത്തു, ജദ്ദത്ത് told, അൽ ഖിസ്സത്തു story, ഖിസ്സത്ത് story, ഹക്കത്ത് ഫഹക്കത്തുൽ ഖിസ്സത്തു, ഫഹക്കത്തുൽ ജദ്ദത്തു അൽ ഖിസ്സത്ത്, then ജദ്ദത്ത് told, അൽ ഖിസ്സത്തു story. Then one question is from this sentence, man hakka, man hakka, man hakkatul qissa, who said the story? Man hakkatul qissat, who said the story? Who said the children? Jaddat. Answer is Jaddat. Heading is, listen, yarana wahidun. What is the meaning yara? Yara, listen here, yara means see, yara see, yarana means if we add noon with one word, it is changed to us. Okay, meaning is us. Yarana, see us. See us, wahidun, one person every time see us. Who is that one person? Okay, Allahu see us. We any place, then Allah will see us. This is the content. Yarana, see us, wahidun, one person see us. This is the heading. Listen the story. Listen. Kana Umar radiyallahu anhu adilan, amiran adilan. Adilan means fire, means neediman. But fire means neediman. Kana Umar radiyallahu anhu was amiran, prince, king. Amiran, prince, king. He was fire king. He was prince. He was fire prince. Means needimanaya king ayirunnu. Wakana yatufu laylan. Wakana he was yatufu. What is the meaning yatufu? Roaming. Yatufu roaming. Laylan at night. He was every day. He was roaming all night. He was roaming after the evening till to midnight. He was roaming. He will not sleep. He roaming in the places. Okay. Then Kana, who is man? Kana Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu. Thus Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu is second Khalifa after Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu. Then he was here Adilan, Amiran Adilan. He was here Amiran Adilan. Adilan means neediman, fire prince. The next, Wakana yatufu fi laylayn. Wakana yatufu, he was roaming. Yatufu, he was roaming laylan at night. Fi shawarihil Madina, where he was roaming? Fi shawarihil Madina, in the shawarih, right? Shawarih road. Shawarih. You have to write Shawarih. You have to write Shawarih. Jem, Shawarih road. Jem, Shawarih road. Then Madina city. He was roaming in the city of Madina. In Madina city, every day he was roaming at night. Maratan once. Kharaja Umar radiyallahu anhu ma hadamihi laylan. He went out. Kharaja means went out. Kharaja Umar radiyallahu anhu. Umar radiyallahu anhu went out. Ma with. Ma means with. Khadamihi. Khadame, servants. He was went out with his servants. Laylan at night. Fi laylatin dark night. The mudhilimathi means dark. Dark night means ba'da muntasifil layli. Muntasifil Layli means midnight. Muntasifil Layli, midnight. After the midnight, in the very dark night, he was roaming with his servants in city of Medina. In city, okay. Then lam yujad ahadun fi sharihi, there was anyone, find ahadun, anyone, fi sharihi, in the road. Wala nur, there was no light, nur, light, fil buyuti, bait jam buyut, he doesn't see light fil buyuti, in the houses. That means dark means after the midnight. Midnight means after the 1 o'clock only we will say midnight. Okay, after the midnight he was roaming in Medina city. No one is there in the road, there is no light in the houses. Next page 66. Bainama huwa yamshi, while he walking. Masha yamshi means walking. Masha yamshi, walking. While he walking, either raha, he saw. Raha we already studied. Yara, see, then past tense ra. He saw Nuran, light, small light he saw. Fi kuhin sahiran, in small hut. Kuh means hut. Kuh hut. In a small house, small hut, he saw one light from distance. He saw one light in small house. Iktaraba minhu, approached. He crossed, then he walked near that light to see what happened there. Then Sami'a Umar kalama imra'atin ibnatiha wa hiya taqulu. Sami'a Umar radiyallahu anhu heard kalaman, talk, imra'atin, a woman's talk, li ibnatiha, for her son, for her daughter. Ibnatu, daughter, ibne son, ibnatu, daughter, for her son. One imrat is talking. Wayataqulu, she is saying, Kumi ya bint, Kumi, you stand, ya bint, oh woman, oh daughter, you stand. Ikhlati al-labana bil mahi. Ikhlati, khalata means mix. Right children, khalata. Khalata mix. Then ikhlati, khalata mix. Ikhlati, you mix. Ikhlati means you mix. Commanding word. It is commanding word. Ikhlati, you mix al-labana. What is the meaning of labana? That we studied. Labana, milk, bil ma'i, with water. You mix water with milk. Then faqalat, she said, la ya ummi, I will not do. La, no, ya ummi, oh mother, no. La akhlit al-laban, I never mix milk with water. I will not do this habit. Okay, she is who saying this, her daughter. Okay, then umma, mother, lima, why you will not do? I told to do you. Ikhlati al-labana bil ma'i. Ikhlati al-labana bil ma'i. How to mix water with milk. Maybe this woman is milk seller. Okay. Then daughter said, la ya ummi, la, I will not do. La akhlit al-labana bil ma'i. I will not mix al-labana, milk, bil ma'i, water. Then we can stop, children. Then you have to study new word meaning. It is very important in language. Then first you have to understand past tense. Which are the past tenses given this lesson? We studied jalasa, qalat, samiya. Okay, many past tense we studied and kharaja. Okay, and each one have to study word meaning. You have to write each word meaning. You have to write 3 times in your notebook. Means first era, see, adilan, fire, yatufu, roaming, shani, jemu, shabali, road, kadamu, ഔസിയാണ്. മുദ്രിമക്ക് ഡാർക്ക്. മുൻതസിഖുൽ ലൈല് മിഡ്നൈറ്റ്. മഷ വാക്ക്. കൂഹ് അടുത്ത്. ഇഖ്തറബ അപ്രോച്ച്ഡ്. ഖറത്ത ഫിക്സ്. Okay, each word you have to write it 3 times and you study. It is must for learn. Okay, meaning also you have to study. I am concluding my words. Okay, shukran.